Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sair and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next upload. And now let's get into the video. So today I'm giving y'all a curly hair routine, and right now I'm just wetting the hair to give a little bit of moisture and also so that I can detangle the hair. This hair, it sheds a lot and it tangles a bit, but I kind of figured that because it is curly hair. But besides that, the hair is pretty good and I love the curls. Right now I'm going in with my Arcani Beauty detangling brush. This brush is amazing. You can use it on wigs, your natural hair, and it works great. This brand is Black owned and it is awesome. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. She sells swimsuits too, and they're all so freaking cute. And what I just did was went in with my Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. And I'm just focusing that on the ends of the hair, but also bringing it upwards towards the root, but not too close, because I don't really want the top of the head to be curly. I want it to be more straight, so it's like flat on my head. And I'm just repeating it on the other side. Now I'm going in with my Cantu coconut curling cream, and I'm putting a generous amount in the hair because I do want to hydrate the ends. And then I'm just going to continue combing the products into the hair, and then I'm done. I'm pretty much going to make the hair air dry. So I did install this hair myself. The video is either going to be in the iClicks above or a future upload. Honestly, I don't know which order I'm gonna put these videos up, but I installed the hair myself, and all details will be in that video, but I'll also link them down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.